Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite DIY friend, is Monachi. Today we're going to be making something out of these disposable cups. I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can reuse your disposable cups to create a beautiful thing out of it. So if this is your first time of turning to my channel, you're really welcome. Here we do DIY. I show you how you can beautify your home with just the things you find around your home. So after watching this video, I'm expecting you to like, share and subscribe to join in this family on learning how you do it yourself at home. So let's start.
So the first thing you have to do is to gum the two cups together. If you don't have a gum, you can use a glue to glue them together, but the essence is to get something that will hold the two together just like this.
First thing you do is to gum it together. The end of it, you gum them together to form this.
So the next thing you're going to do is to paint the cup. If you don't want it like that, you can paint it. I'm using black to paint it, and I'm using spray because it's going to be very smooth using spray paint. But if you have any alternative, you can go with it. But this is how smooth it's going to look like if you use your spray paint.
You allow it to dry. We're going to allow it to dry. Okay, then we can do, now it's dried, so we're going to be doing some beautiful painting on the body. So I'll be using yellow paint.
So next thing I did was to paint the joint of the joining of the two cups. I painted it first. To create a design there and to cover up the joining. So after painting the joints, I created a spiral design on the cup. So this is it. I had to replicate it in 3 different places on each cups, and this is it. So this is the final look after doing my design on the cups, and you are free to do anything you want to do on your cup, but this is an example of You that doesn't know what to do on your cups or any design, you can go with this design and it will go come out very beautiful and looking real and presentable. So this is what it looks with your flowers. I'm using a natural flower. You can use any flower, maybe artificial flower, natural flower. You can use it on your dining. You can use it as a center table flower vase or a dining table flower vase, and nobody's gonna know. Who is going to know that we made this out of a disposable cup? You tell me. If this is your first time of seeing this, would you know we made this out of a disposable cup? And tell me, would you try this at home? Do well to dictate on the comment section. See you next time. Bye.